just gonna do it because I don't want to feel guilty. Right. Hey, you know what? Let me tell you this. Thank you. Hold it up. You have to hold
I can't hold that.
You gotta hold it up so I can put it on. Come on, people, the umbrella. I'm getting soaked.
Okay.
I'll fix you now. I'm soaking wet.
I'm holding it.
I know.
You know what time it was. I told you it was raining out here.
Okay.
You want to talk to the people?
No. We need another umbrella. Come on.
I don't know what made
We coming back. You gonna turn it on? Okay.
How do you feel?
How I feel?
Yeah.
Wet.
Grab this. Grab this under my arm.
Oh, okay.
You want to show the people what you got? That's recording.
Oh, you? We out here, God.
Let's go to the car.
Oh my gosh.
Hurry up, we can go.
Thank
Oh
you.
man. Woo. Okay, open. I got it.
Ooh. Come on. Ooh.
Okay. This is funny. Okay, go ahead. You gotta go on the other side.
Open the door first.
Oh man.
Shoot. Ooh.
Okay.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Do me a favor. Open the trunk so I can get that umbrella.
How you feel?
What? Wait a minute. I'll be back.
Okay.
I'll be back.
Oh yeah. Y'all see that? It is soaking wet out here. I don't know why she thought she wanted to water the garden. Knowing full and well it's gonna rain out here. Full and well.
Put this to the side so I can close this down.
Okay.
Oh, I'm so glad he was out here. Hey.
So what would you say about our mission today?
Wow. It's raining. We came out here to water the garden, and by the time we got to the garden, it started raining. And we out here soaking wet. But good thing we got good neighbors at our garden, and he decided to put the sprinkler on. He said, just go ahead and he'll hook it up. But
So what is that?
one of my neighbors, this is a squash. Yeah, came from the garden. This is their garden now, and this came from their garden. So anyway, I'm so glad. I'm going to try, probably put it in and bake it, you know what I'm saying? Have something on side dish or something, whatever. But otherwise, we are soaking wet. Came out here to do what we got to do for our garden. But basically, I put new seeds down. And the reason why we came out to make sure we can water it so the seeds will start germinating, you know, while it's still warm. So I don't see anything yet, but a lot of things. The gardens look real plush. It's getting real good. So I'm grateful for that. And I say in about maybe 3 weeks, we should have some heads up. You know what I'm saying? Yes, indeed. I'm so grateful. I'm so thankful, you know what I'm saying, to have somebody, because he said when I'm not here, he waters. When I'm here, I water, you know, so it's good to remember to keep a good report to neighbors, because you don't know, these days and times are getting truly dark, and people are got like a spirit of anger. And if you got somebody that cares and that seems to engage with you in a loving and caring way, continue to have that relationship, because those relationships are precious and never lose them. So anyway, as always, Dianne's Garden at you today. Love you, keep you, and continue to be good. Bye-bye.